Spend 5 minutes watching this video and I will save you 10 hours a week by transforming your email management with ChatGPT. My name is Miriam from myaiperks.com, and today I'll walk you through 2 options to easily integrate ChatGPT into Gmail and Outlook with browser extensions. Let's dive in and boost your productivity. First off, let's talk about integrating ChatGPT into Gmail using a cloudHQ Chrome add-on. cloudHQ is a company that offers productivity tools for cloud-based applications. Personally, I'm a big fan of cloudHQ products, like their meeting organizer and Gmail extensions. Let's jump right in. First off, open Chrome Web Store. Search for and install ChatGPT for Gmail by cloudHQ. Create a new cloudHQ account. Make sure this one is connected to your Gmail profile. Let cloudHQ access your info. That way it can be integrated in your Gmail inbox. On the next page, scroll down to ChatGPT for Gmail. From here, add a custom email reply template called Quick Replies. It allows a maximum of 10 items and is especially valuable for generic responses, for example, a customer service email. Now you can log in to your cloudHQ profile from your Gmail inbox. Now let's draft our first email and you will see the cloudHQ icon in the Gmail taskbar. Make sure to give precise prompts, for example, answer new business inquiry in a polite and business casual tone. Ask for further details on the project scope and timeline. You can find a list of example prompts I have been using a lot in the video description. Now let me tell you a little bit about the pros and cons of this browser extension. The pros: this add-on is highly compatible with Gmail and no paid OpenAI subscription is required. For the cons, I have to say the cloudHQ extension is limited to Gmail only and it's relatively new. But that's it. So up next, let's explore another option that works for all email platforms, including Outlook. Introducing the add-on ChatGPTWriter. Step 1. Just like we did for our first extension, let's open up Chrome Web Store. Search for and choose ChatGPTWriter. I did you all a favor and put links in the video description below. From here, add ChatGPTWriter to Chrome. Open the extension and create a free ChatGPTWriter account. With the free account, you get to send 15 free email responses per month. I know it's not a lot, but trust me, it's a good start for anyone who's new to ChatGPT and email integration. Now you can use the extension directly in Gmail or access it via the browser on other email platforms like Outlook. For example, you click on the ChatGPTWriter located in the extensions section next to the URL in your browser. With that, you can start prompting. I included a list of my favorite prompts in the video description below. Okay guys, let's speak about the pros and the cons again. For the pros, the extension is versatile, functioning across multiple email platforms, including both Gmail and Outlook. It also provides a visible add-on within Gmail. For the cons, the free version is limited to 15 responses per month, which may not be sufficient for heavy email users. These were 2 simple ways to integrate ChatGPT into email for free, but there are plenty more complex options available, like utilizing APIs. If you want to learn more about these, please leave a comment down below. With the basics I showed you today, you will be able to improve your time management and save you a ton of headaches. Trust me, it did for me. Speaking of time management, take a look at the video over to my side where I show you some awesome tips and tricks with time management utilizing AI. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.